Just wait for Marky boy. Just a little bit choppier today, but we're just going to head round the corner. So we're heading round the corner over here. We're going to head round there. We're just stay close to shore. We're just going to stay quite close to shore. So it's just good to stay like head on with the waves. And any big waves, I'm just going to paddle like through them, or at least might have one last paddle. Just wait for Mark. It'll be a little bit choppier as we go around the corner, but yeah, after that. These kayaks are really good. They're proper like sea kayaking vessels, so. What's happening? Okay, so we are, yeah, now we're heading back to shore. We'll do right this evening. I think we're up from now. Definitely not going to go back. Hey, help me out. Hey! Sweet, man. Cool. Cool. You lose your balance, man. Cheers, Marky boy. Good work, man. Right, man. Whoa. That was a paddle and a half. Oh, I nearly flipped down there. But the kite's just brilliant, man. I love your kayak.
Almost took coming in that as well, but...
Did ya? That's kayak fishing when knowing not to fish. And this is the big speed. The motor just comes down and it's connected to the rudder. Yeah, honestly, the pedals.
But, when you're going too fast in the waves.
So much fun though. I mean, I'm not a danger seeker or anything like that. I'm just saying I feel comfortable on that though, you know.
Yeah.
I just felt it's just a pity we all loaded up with all the bait and everything else, because it just meant that sometimes, yeah, like you say, you feel a bit funny, eh? You feel like you're gonna come off.
Go for a kayak like that.
Find on beaches. Okay, see you next time in Family Kitchen with Mark.